Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we'll look at some of the key differences between Linux and the Windows operating system and when you might want to choose one operating system over the other. There are some key differences between the two as well as some scenarios where you might want to favor one operating system over the other. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details. Choosing the right OS is crucial. Windows is known for its ease of use and software compatibility. Linux is celebrated for its security, flexibility, and open source nature. This guide will help you decide which OS suits your needs. Let's compare the cost of Linux and Windows. Windows requires a paid license with costs varying by edition, and volume licensing for businesses can be expensive. On the other hand, Linux is free and open source with most distributions available at no cost and no licensing fees for individuals or businesses. Let's compare Linux and Windows in terms of source code and customizability. Linux is open source and highly customizable with various distributions for different users. Windows, on the other hand, is closed source with limited customizability. Let's compare the user interfaces of Linux and Windows. Linux offers various desktop environments and its UI varies between distributions. Windows, on the other hand, has a consistent UI across all editions, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. Linux offers a wide range of free and open source software with compatibility layers for commercial applications. It's ideal for developers. Windows, on the other hand, supports a vast array of proprietary software and games, making it the default choice for many commercial and enterprise applications. Linux is designed with security in mind, minimizing vulnerabilities and rarely targeted by malware. It receives regular updates from a global community. Windows, being the most widely used desktop OS, is more prone to malware and relies on third-party antivirus software for additional security. Linux is efficient and lightweight, ideal for older hardware and low-resource environments. Windows, however, requires more resources and can suffer from performance degradation due to software bloat and background processes. This slide covers the hardware compatibility for Linux and Windows. Linux supports a wide range of hardware but may need manual driver installation. Windows offers strong out-of-the-box hardware support with readily available drivers from manufacturers. Linux is ideal for developers and IT professionals, often used in servers and cloud computing. Windows is designed for general users and businesses, dominating the enterprise market due to software compatibility. Choose Linux if you value freedom, customization, work on development servers, or cloud computing, need a lightweight system for older hardware, or prefer an open source approach. Choose Windows for compatibility with software games, ease of use, enterprise applications, and hardware support. In summary, Linux offers flexibility, security, and cost-effectiveness favored by developers. Windows is a user-friendly with its broad-based software support, and it dominates enterprise and gaming environments. Choose based on your goals, expertise, and requirements. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's given you some ideas when Linux might be a reasonable choice to use as an operating system. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.